In today's video, we're gonna make a real classic. Hello everyone and welcome back to Yoghurt Madness. In today's video, we're gonna make apple cake. You start off by adding butter into a kitchen machine and turn it on medium speed. Add in the sugar little by little to completely blend it in. When completely blended, add the eggs one at a time, so remember to whisk it good. And from time to time, remember to stop the machine to scrape down the sides. Sometimes there's not enough mass inside of the machine, so you just need to help it a little bit. Now it's time for yogurt. Add it in and start whisking. While the machine is running, add in the milk little by little. Now, while the machine still runs, add the flour little by little so everything blends perfectly together and you get a really smooth dough. I personally love the consistency of this dough. Just delicious. Now for some spice. Add in cardamom, cinnamon, salt, baking powder and vanilla sugar and run it until it's all combined. And now for the apples. We really love apples in our apple cake, so we use a lot of them. And you should too. Peel all of them and cut them up into thin slices. I used a knife to cut them, but you can also use a mandolin if you prefer it that way. You want all of the pieces to be real thin, so you can make a perfect layer. Add all of the slices into a bowl, cover it with sugar and cinnamon, and toss them a little bit around. You want all of them to be covered. Butter in your spring form and pour the apple cake batter into it. You want the batter to be as flat as possible, so use a spatula to smoothen it out. Add the apple slices on top, just like you see in the video. Now, take the bowl where you had the apples and pour brown sugar and cinnamon into it and mix it together. This will make a perfect sugar coating on top of the apple cake. Brush it on top of the cake and put the cake into the oven for about 1 hour on 160 degrees Celsius. And there you go, a perfect apple cake that you can make for any event or if you just want something delicious. Thank you so much for watching this video and see you guys in another video tomorrow. Bye!